Okay, YouTube, so this is my closet right here, and I'm about to redo it. When I open my closet, please don't talk about me. This happens within a week. Usually my dirty clothes hamper is in here, but I'm actually washing clothes at the moment, so I'm going to give you all an overview, and my closet is a disaster. Look, I have my own closet. I have shoes on this side, clothes thrown all around because I can't make up my mind. I have a 6 cube shelf right here. I have, oh, that Cabbage Patch doll was my first doll from when I was 2 years old, and I kept it. And she has my my chain, that my very first necklace. It's a locket, like a bear locket, and it's around her neck, so I kept her and I kept that. And I am 32 years old, yes, so she is 30 years old. And then I have my perfume vanity tray and stuff, and it has a lot of bangles, and it's a few perfumes back there. But then this is my lingerie chest. I had to put some things up there. I have all my handbags up there, thrown up there. That's the basket that has like the clutches and wallets in it. This is all my clothes. Look up under my clothes. I have shoes. Can y'all see those shoes and stuff? Look, I have shoes up under all the clothes. Look, up under all these. Well, I'm a woman, so I wear a bra. Don't be, oh gosh, you got a bra in it. Okay, and then I have all of these shoes. And this thing is so little and so bad because up under here, I have shoes stacked on top of each other, if you can see. But anyways, I'm going to redo this closet because this closet is giving me hell. I can't find anything. I can barely reach stuff. Look, I have shoes. My glasses are on the floor. I have shoes up under all the clothes. Look. Up under all the clothes. Look. I didn't even know I had clothes up here. I just got a lot going on in this closet. And then these are a lot of my dresses. And look, I have shoes up there. Come on, focus, camera. Let me see if it's on focus. It's got shoes. I'm trying to get it to focus. So anyway, so what I'm going to do now, there we go, it's focusing. I'm going to take everything out of this closet. So I'm going to let you all see me do everything. I'm going to redo this closet and make it functional. And I bought the IKEA Calyx 8 cube drawer. And I'm looking at this closet and I just don't think it's gonna fit. So we're gonna I'm still gonna build it. Yeah, I'm still gonna build it, but I'm looking at this closet right now and I don't think that it's gonna fit. So I'm going to take everything out. I moved my nightstand over. So I'm gonna take everything out so I can open the door all the way. And don't judge me. Don't judge me. So the only thing that's left in the closet is this 6-cube shelf, and these little stands that I got from Target. I don't know if I'm going to keep these right now because I wear a lot of stilettos and they don't really fit. Hopefully the camera focus. But anyways, and also the decorations that's up there. Focus, focus. Okay. Let me see if it's going to focus. Okay, we don't want to focus. There we go. Okay, so is that decorations up there, like I said, the 6-cube and these 3 stands that I got from Target. And I'm gonna probably either try to keep them or not. So this is the closet reveal. I am done. Okay, so what I did was, I know this is right here is not gonna stay right here. I just put those in there because I don't know, I was trying to fill in the gap at first, but it doesn't look good, so I'm gonna take those out. But this is a dresser, the rice dresser from IKEA. I painted it a long time ago and it's not perfect, but that has like my t-shirts and nightgowns and leggings and stuff in there. So the reason why all of my clothes are on the floor, like on the bottom shelf, hanging up, even though some of them are a little too long to be down there, is because I'm only 4'9", so it's hard for me to reach up there to get my things, and I don't want to keep getting up and down in a chair or a ladder or something to get my stuff. So because in Atlanta it is warm, boots and stuff are okay up there. They're fine. I gotta get the pool noodles to stick back in my boots. I had 3 ones I had away. They got old, so I gotta put them back in there so my boots can stand up. But I can reach this shelf. And these up there I can't reach. But one thing I like about those type of shoes is, even if I get on my toes, see, look, and reach, I can grab the shoe with the other shoe. So I can reach those. And then I can reach those shelves. Like I said, all of those up there are boots at the very top. And then I did bring my elephant picture and stuff back in here. So I really like it over there. I can see the elephant once I come in the closet. You can see his face like this. But I just displayed a few purses. And I have so many shoes and purses. So I do wear a lot of my stuff. I work in corporate, so I do wear a lot of my stuff every day. So just displaying a few things. And the reason why you see gaps, like this shelf doesn't have anything, and that shelf up there and this shelf right here doesn't have a pair of shoes, is because I went shopping again. And I know y'all probably like, you got too much stuff to go shopping, but I am getting rid of a few things. I think I'm getting rid of like 8 pairs of shoes, and I'm only bringing back in about 6. So to me, I'm doing good. So anyways, this is the overall closet. Hope you like it.